Welcome to TechX Lovers. What will our world look like in 2050? Taoyuan Museum. The Taoyuan Museum of Fine Arts (TMOFA) is a public art museum in Taoyuan City, Taiwan. It is the first public art museum in Taoyuan and was founded in 2018. The museum's collection includes over 8,000 works of art, including paintings, sculptures, calligraphy, and ceramics. The museum's building is designed by Dutch architectural firm MVRDV and is scheduled to open in 2025. The building is inspired by the peach flower, which is a symbol of Taiwan City. The building has a unique facade that is made up of overlapping petal-like volumes. The TMOFA is committed to promoting the development of art and culture in Taiwan City. The museum offers a variety of educational programs and activities, including exhibitions, lectures, and workshops. The museum also has a library and a collection of resources that are available to the public. Liberland Metaverse City. Liberland Metaverse City is a virtual city that is being developed by the micronations of Liberland. Liberland is a self-proclaimed micronation that claims a small piece of land between Croatia and Serbia. Liberland Metaverse City is being designed as a place where people can live, work, and play. The city will have a variety of features, including virtual offices, stores, restaurants, and entertainment venues. Liberland Metaverse City is being designed as a place where people can live, work, and play. The city will have a variety of features, including virtual offices, stores, restaurants, and entertainment venues. The city is also being designed to be as realistic as possible. The developers are using a variety of technologies to create a virtual environment that is distinguishable for the real world. Västerås Travel Centre. The Västerås Travel Centre is a transportation infrastructure hub that brings together multiple travel modes within one roof. It has a light, undulating roofscape that creates a welcoming, warm, and transparent mobility hub. It is shaped for the flow of people and public life and aims to become an important social and economic node, redefining the city infrastructure and landscape. Chongqing Cuntan Cruise Terminal. The Chongqing Cuntan Cruise Terminal is a new international cruise terminal currently under construction in Chongqing, China. It is designed by MAT Architects and is expected to be the multiple work completed in 2027. The terminal will be located on the Yangtze River and will be able to accommodate up to 3 cruise ships at a time. It will have a total area of 65,000 square meters and will include a variety of facilities such as a passenger terminal, customs and immigration hall, a duty-free shopping area, and a food and beverage court. The terminal's design is inspired by the natural landscape of Chongqing, which is known for its mountain and rivers, so the terminal loop will be shaped like a wave and will be covered in greenery. The terminal's interior will also feature natural materials such as wood and stone. Droneport UAE GAS Architecture. Droneport UAE GAS Architecture is a proposed drone port and logistic hub that would be located in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. It is designed by GAS Architectures and is expected to be completed in 2025. Droneport would be a fully automated facility that would use drones to deliver packages and goods to customers throughout the UAE. The facility would be able to handle up to 10,000 drones per day and would have a total capacity of 1 million packages per day. The Droneport UAE GAS Architecture is a unique and ambitious project that has the potential to revolutionize the way that goods are delivered in the UAE. It is an exciting example of how drones can be used to improve the efficiency and sustainability of our transportation system. State and Lake Elevated Station. The State Lake Elevated Station, also known as the State and Lake Elevated Transit Stations, is a station on the Chicago Loop Elevated that serves the brown, green, orange, pink, and purple line. It is located at 200th Street in the Loop community area of Chicago, Illinois. The station is one of the busiest on the Loop development and elevated with other 3.7 million annual entries in 2019. The State Lake Elevated Station was originally built in 1895 as part of the Lake Street Elevated Railroad extensions into the Chicago Loop. The station is one of the few remaining original stations on the Loop Elevated and it is listed on the National Register of Historic Places. The State Lake Elevated Station is a popular transfer point for passengers traveling between the Loop and other parts of the city. The station is also a popular destination for tourists as it is located near many of Chicago's most popular attractions, such as the Art Institute of Chicago, Millennium Park, and the Magnificent Mile. Pujiang Peaks Civic Center. The Pujiang Peaks Civic Center is designed to be a sustainable and environmentally friendly complex. The buildings will be covered in greenery and will feature a number of energy-saving features such as solar panels and rainwater harvesting systems. The complex will also be home to a number of public spaces including park, plaza and gardens. The Pujiang Peaks Civic Center is a unique and ambitious project that has the potential to be a new landmark for Pujiang country and as a model of other civic centers around the world. Pujiang Peaks Civic Center is composed of three triangular building clusters that are arranged around the central plaza. The largest cluster, which is located in the center of the eye and side, contains the Civic Center, Conference Center and Hotel. The other two clusters contain officers' ancillary facilities. Light Drop in Senate Square, Finland. The light drops in Senate Square, Helsinki, Finland, are public art installations by Israeli artist Moshe Katz. It consists of 5 illuminated thread drop-shaped structures that are suspended above the square. The installation was commissioned by the city of Helsinki and was unveiled in 2022. It is meant to be a symbol of hope and optimism, made to provide a warm, inviting space for people to gather. The light drops are made of a special type of glass that is designed to refract light in a variety of ways. This creates a kaleidoscope of colors and patterns that are constantly changing. Drops are also equipped with sensors that allow them to interact with the people in the environment. For example, when someone walks underneath the drop, that light will change color. Brno Main Stations by Benthem Crouwel West 8. The Brno Main Stations by Benthem Crouwel West 8 is a new multi-model hub and station corridor that is currently under construction in Brno. The Czech Republic, the station is all completed in 2035. So the station will include 40 platforms for high-speed local trains, tram and city buses, a regional bus station, a metro station, and a bike, cycle, and car parking. The station building will offer comfortable passenger services of facilities and ample retail and F&B areas. The design of the station is inspired by the natural landscape of Brno, which is known for its mountains and rivers. The station roof will be shaped like a wave and will be covered in greenery. The station interior will also feature natural materials such as wood and stone. Fuse Valley is a new urban innovation district located on the hillside of Lake Palmaria, Portugal. It is being developed by Castro Group and Big Bazaar Angels Group and is designed to be a hub for technology, innovations, and creativity. The district is made up of 25 and 24 buildings, including the headquarters of Farfetch, a global luxury fashion commerce platform. The buildings are arranged in a checkerboard formations and are connected by a network of paths and gardens. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more videos, subscribe to TechX Lovers.